name is Jim Missoni. I'm the president and CEO of Florida Beer Company. We're located in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Our factory is actually located in an old missile plant. They built products for NASA for the Apollo, Mercury, and later for the shuttle missions. Okay, we acquired this facility in 2011 and took about 2.5 years renovating and installing our new equipment that you see behind me.
My name is Luke Erdodi, and I am the Director of Brewery Operations for Florida Beer Company. I've been in the brewing industry for about 15 years now.
One of the most important focuses for Florida Beer Company is the quality of the products that leave this building, quality and consistency. The decisions that we've made on some of the products that we've bought as far as equipment go help us toward that end. When we got here, we decided it was time to look at filtration because we've been using a DE filtration technology that's been literally around since the 1800s. We initially started to look at options available to us in the DE area because we were familiar with it, but then strayed to other types of technology, including the separation technology that ANDRITZ Separations offers. This product gives us the flexibility to dial in the clarity of the beer that we need to virtually any point, from crystal clear to as cloudy as we like. It provides us with an efficient platform that allows us to process much more liquid in the same amount of time as what our old technology did. So from a labor perspective, with DE filtration, in order to process one of our tanks, it would take about 9 hours from start to finish. With ANDRITZ separation, we're able to process that same tank in about 1 3/4 hours. So that's about a 500% increase in performance.
The ANDRITZ Beer clarifier has total flexibility with adding on polish filtration or other filtration methods. We've been able to actually increase our throughput by almost 20%. The flavors that you're getting by using the separator, we're not stripping the beer of a lot of those good hop aromas. We're just getting a more full beer, more true to the way we were meant to brew it. We're not putting all the DE down the drain, so we're kind of moving towards a more environmental friendly separation process.
There's definitely more flexibility in the ANDRITZ beer clarifying systems in that it's skid mounted, it's very easy to install, it's compact in size, and ANDRITZ was able to configure it so that it would fit into where our installation was going to be. So we were able to pre-locate, pre-plumb, and get the electrical needed to the system prior to the ANDRITZ team getting here. That greatly compressed the amount of time needed to commission the system. I think it was within 24 hours and we had the machine running. And we actually put saleable product through it within 3 days.
We don't have a huge cellar, so a little bit of noise from anything goes a long way. You turn on the ANDRITZ machine and it's definitely quiet compared to some other machines. And the vibrations have been great. We haven't had any issues. We can push more product out. We've noticed a longer shelf life and less oxidative qualities in the bottled product and the keg product since we've brought the ANDRITZ online.
So one of the benefits of the ANDRITZ separator is that this interface is computer controlled and allows us to put recipes in for each of our products. So with this recipe, the operator selects it and we're assured that whether the product is filtered by Joe or Jim or Mary, each recipe is exactly the same, the product will be treated the same, and the consistency will remain the same. We chose ANDRITZ separation for our choice for our clarifier for one reason, and that is because it provided us with the best value out there. We did extensive research on different manufacturers, different technologies. We wound up going to ANDRITZ. The machine is a higher quality machine. We got much more capacity for our money, and as it turned out, the company was a first-class company to work with and really cared about us getting what we needed to get to process our beer.